Are you ready to make traveling easier, safer, and more comfortable? Today, I'm sharing 25 trending travel gadgets for seniors that'll make your next trip a breeze. Let's jump in. First up, comfort and mobility. The REHAND Foldable Walking Cane is lightweight, adjustable, and collapsible, offering extra support whenever you're on the go. For easy packing, we have wonderful packing cubes. Keep your clothes organized and wrinkle-free. No more digging through your suitcase. You need more mobility? The electric wheelchair folds easily and has long battery life for great traveling. Let's talk about convenience. The airplane tablet holder mount lets you watch your favorite shows hands-free on flights. No more sore arms. And stay cool with the JISULIFE Portable Travel Fan. It's compact, rechargeable, and perfect for warm destinations. Do you want wireless audio on a plane? The South AirFly Pro connects Bluetooth headphones to airplane entertainment systems. It's perfect. Safety is key. The Addalock Portable Door Lock gives extra security in hotels or Airbnbs. I mean, you can't go without that. And then keep valuables safe with the Master Lock Portable Travel Safe. Perfect for passports, cash, and small electronics. This one I don't use, but many people may like it. And then no more lost jackets. The elastic jacket gripper travel strap securely coats and pillows to your luggage, so it kind of ties them to your luggage. Now let's talk tech. The foldable portable wireless charger powers up your devices and doubles as a phone stand. It is absolutely wonderful. And then no more messy spills. We have the silicone travel bottle covers, and that prevents leaks in your luggage. And it goes well with your silicone travel bottles. The luggage travel cup holder attachment holds your coffee on your suitcase handle. Hands-free convenience. This is something I don't have and I need. Next, health and wellness. Long flights, compression socks for travel. They improve circulation and reduce swelling. A must-have. For more leg support, you can try the portable footrest hammock for flights. It makes long trips more comfortable. The RFID blocking travel wallet protects credit cards from digital theft. And a portable white noise machine helps block out unwanted noise so you can sleep soundly anywhere. Stay hydrated with the collapsible water bottle. I think this is ingenious. It's lightweight, space-saving, and eco-friendly. The travel-size pill organizer keeps your medication sorted and easy to access. Now, you also have to bring your prescriptions, so don't forget that. Let's stay organized with the foldable travel hanging toiletry bag. It keeps all your essentials neatly stored. Just hang it up and go. For neck support, the inflatable travel neck pillow is compact and comfortable. A compact first travel aid kit ensures you're prepared for small emergencies. I'll do a video on that. No surprises at the airport. The mini portable luggage scale helps avoid overweight baggage fees. And the noise canceling headphones block out distractions for a peaceful journey. Need a quick fix? A travel size sewing kit comes in handy for small repairs. And lastly, the portable UV sanitizer wand keeps surfaces clean and germ-free. And there you have it. 25 must-have travel gadgets to make your trips smoother and more enjoyable. Which one do you love? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if I've missed something, and I'd be happy to do a video on that as well. Until next time, be brave, be strong, and love endlessly. Bye for now, everybody, and happy traveling.